Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe for brownies. You are supposed to make them in a square form, but I did not have one, so I made them in a round baking pan. And obviously you can just serve it as it is, as a cake, or you can cut them into square. We need the following ingredients: 230 grams of butter at room temperature, 300 grams granulated sugar, a teaspoon of coffee mixed with 50 milliliters of hot water, 300 grams of chocolate, 50 grams of grated chocolate, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 200 grams of plain flour, 4 eggs, 50 grams of almonds or whichever nuts you prefer. Add butter, sugar and the coffee mix into a pan and bring it to a boil while whisking it continuously. Then remove it from the heat and add in the chocolate. This is how it will look once you have added in the chocolate. I'm pouring it into a bigger bowl so it can cool down, and now sifting in the cocoa powder and whisking it together to make it one batter. Now we're going to add in the eggs one by one until all 4 of them are dissolved into the batter. This is the flour we're going to sift in and then whisk it into the batter. Also adding in a pinch of salt and half of the almonds. All of the grated chocolate is going in. Whisking it all together again. I'm now buttering the pan from all sides so my batter does not stick. Adding in some plain flour and then spreading it to all sides of the pan. This will help the cake not to stick to the baking pan. The batter will now go into the baking form. Make sure it's spread evenly. Now going to tap it a few times on the surface so it's even. It's going into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, upper and lower heat, 180 centigrade. I'm going to mix 20 grams of cocoa powder with 40 grams of powdered sugar and some hot water until it's this kind of a mixture. It's going to go on top of our cake. Now the cake is out of the oven and you can see that it has left the sides of the baking pan. Toothpick inserted into the middle should come out clean. I'm going to let the cake cool down a little bit and then remove the form. Adding the chocolate mix on top of the cake. Once you spread it evenly, it's going to trickle down the sides of the cake on its own, and then adding the almonds to make it look like that. You can cut it into square pieces or you can just leave it as it is and serve it as a cake. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.